This house is located in the middle of a walls and almost forest with the Colico Lake in the background. In order to achieve a minimal environmental intervention, the house sits on a base that allows wild flora to grow through it. The project starts from a rectangle oriented to the northeast that breaks and separates to protect the existing trees. As a result, 2 bars are proposed facing the only clearing in the forest, which serves both as a garden and as a source of solar radiation. Thanks for watching, and always remember that your home is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. So go ahead and start creating your dream space today.